I am going to replace a shower hose. And important things to know when you go to replace a damaged shower hose or broken shower head, all replacing kits are universal. And this is just a need to do this job. Tools and materials: new shower hose, a towel, cloth and fillers are optional. So before getting started, make sure important areas are dry for safety reason. I'm going to put a towel into the shower basin to catch any excess in my component shower hose. Start by removing the current shower hose from the shower head. And from the shower unit. If the joint is difficult to open, you may use a fillers and cloth to remove the pattern. Generally, it can do by hand. Take a new shower hose. Next you get new shower hose, insert the washer into the joint and touch into the shower unit. Make sure that joints are secure and be careful not over tighten them, as this can cause damage to the washer or catch the joint. So there you go, as easily as you just see how to replace the shower hose. Thank you.